gotta introduce yourself. Just say what you do.
Hold on, I need to practice first.
Oh my God.
Hi, I'm Scott Murphy. I farm with my dad and uncle and brother in eastern North Carolina. We grow sweet potatoes, peanuts, corn, beans, hogs, and turkeys.
And I'm about to put a GoPro on his head.
You think I got it angled right?
Yeah. You think I got mine angled right?
Yeah.
Okay. What are we picking today?
Sweet potatoes.
And explain your farming equipment to everybody. Can you talk about what the computer and everything right here does?
So this computer right here, this controls your whole machine. Anywhere from these here move your boxes back and forth. You got auto and manual for your sensors as far as how much your boxes are filled, if you're feeling too much or if you need a little bit more in them. Pick how deep you're digging, the depth you're digging, that all depends on your soil, how wet it is, if you're in sandy land or heavy land.
What type of sweet potatoes are you picking right now?
The variety is Covington. These are actually seed potatoes and will be used for seed next year.
Will you explain that a little bit? Like what it means to be a seed potato?
A seed potato is stored for next year and then it's set out under plastic next year and it grows a sprout, and then you come back and you cut the sprout and you use the sprout to transplant into your fields.
How long is your harvesting period? Like how long are you in here?
Most time between 30 to 40 days is what it's been running. This year we've had good weather, so we're on about day number 25 right now. This is my dog Barley. He goes everywhere I go. I rescued him from the vet. His previous owners decided they didn't want him no longer after he chewed up a couch. And they decided they weren't going to come back and get him. So he come home with me and he's been here ever since.